Hello everyone! This is one of our hot selling series, the A Series. As you can see, its shell's colors are black and white, which looks clean. And it is also compact. Now we are going to open it to see its parts inside. If you are looking for a cost-effective compressor with power frequency, then this is the best choice for you. As you can see, this air end here is the latest type in the world. With its high efficiency, it can surely save more energy for you. And it is environmental friendly. If you want to learn more about it, please contact us on Alibaba.com.